Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to discuss about vertipaq, compression and encoding in Power BI. So, compression and encoding are very helpful to reduce the amount of memory needed to evaluate the DAX query. As we know, the Power BI uses the columnar data structure to store the data in memory. The goal of compression and encoding is to reduce the amount of memory needed to evaluate a DAX query. With the help of a compression, we create a smaller data model, and when the data model will be small, then it will require a small amount of computer resource to process. Based on the sample of the data, or we can say that compression and encoding are different based on the data. So whatever the data, the columnar data is going to store, the compression and encoding would be different. So whenever we are talking about encoding and compression, there are three types. One is value encoding. So it uses mathematical process to reduce the number of bits which need to store the integer value. So it means that the vertipaq engine going to scan the data and figure out which column has integer value. It will figure out some kinds of relationship among the value which is present in that column, and this value encoding will be used only for those columns which has integer data type. Second is known as a hash encoding. That is nothing but a dictionary encoding. So it identifies unique string values and create a new table with indexes. Third is run length encoding, that is RLE. It reduces the data set size by identifying repeated values found in a adjacent row. So this is very important, right? That run length encoding will going to be used whenever the data will be repeated. So these are the three kinds of encoding which is available in Power BI. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.